In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts on Monday.com. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your board data into a visual chart view. This is really helpful when you want to see trends, spot bottlenecks, or quickly understand what's happening in your projects without digging through rows and rows of items. First, make sure you're on the board where you want to create your chart. At the top of your board, you'll see a row of different views. This is usually where you see things like main table, Kanban, calendar, or any other views that have already been added. Just above these, or at the far right side, look for a small plus sign. This plus sign is what you'll use to add a brand new view to your board. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, Monday.com will open a menu that shows you the different types of views you can create. This is where you can choose how you want your data to be displayed, whether that's in a table, a dashboard style view, or in our case, a chart. From this menu, look for the option labeled Chart. It might appear under a section like Board Views or More Views, depending on your layout, but it will clearly say Chart. Once you find it, click on Chart. As soon as you click Chart, Monday.com will create a new chart view attached to your current board. From here, you'll usually be able to customize what the chart shows, like which columns to use for the X and Y axes, or whether you want a bar chart, pie chart, or line chart. Even though we're not going into those customization options in this specific walkthrough, just know that this is the starting point for all of that. To quickly recap, you open the board where your data lives, click the plus sign at the top to add a new view, and then choose Chart from the list. After that, you're ready to configure the chart to match the story you want your data to tell. And that's all you need to do to add charts on Monday.com.